You guys are going to be taking a look at this 2024 Nightburnerz set. I've had this for a while. It's been collecting dust, a bit scratched up. We're going to take a look at it. So Nightburnerz, pretty sick set. So I feel like the only reason why I bought the set, obviously, because it's a Nightburnerz set, but also because that freaking Nissan, man. That 380 XZ Turbo, whatever the hell I think that's what it's called. I forget. Yeah. Yeah, 380 ZX, actually. I got it wrong. But, like, that orange, beautiful. They made, like, a blue, and then after they made a super of that, 2021, and then they released a white one. And that's all the recolors I know that they made of this car. But after the other car that got me, it's a little Shelby. But, yeah. Other than that, everything else is kind of trash. Like, I don't know about this Renault, so let's take a look at this pack. So I don't really know where I should start. Maybe from the side. So use my nail. It's not long enough. So I don't really care about the packaging. I just care about the plastic because I can use it for storage. So I gotta open the package kind of carefully. And looks like I think I opened it wrong. Yeah, probably did. No, I didn't. There we go. Just get the dust, pop it open. Ooh, it's like pulling out a sandwich. Packaging. Let's take a look at the cars. It looks like a bunch of candy. Very nice. So we got shitty car. This one I'm not even gonna talk about. Like, yeah, I guess so. Like, what even is this? The Grazer R. Honestly, I'm not even gonna spin it. It's just a fantasy car. It's like pretty cool, I guess. Red base, plastic body. Oh, a little lip. I think you can move it, but honestly, it kind of looks like some sort of hyper Lycan Sport, something like that, like some Tesla Roadster. I don't really care about it, but we do got this Copo Camaro. Very nice blue. Let's give it a spin. Still, honestly, good casting. I like the execution of it. Very nice blue. Very cool. No tampons at the front. The Copo strip down the middle is pretty nice. Honestly, it's not really like... I like it, but like, it's not really my thing. Honestly, the chrome wheels do look really nice with the little drag pack at the back. So if it goes, it doesn't fly up in the air. It's also got that little... Oh shit, it's even got the little netting window. Usually they use that in like NASCAR and stuff. Which makes... I don't really see the point of putting a Nash inside of a dragster, you know what I mean? Even the Dodge Demon has one. It doesn't have a Nash, you know what I mean? So I actually... The car isn't bad. I like it. Pretty cool, honestly. Good rolling. I feel like this car, overall... Oh, man. I feel like it would get a good, like, solid 7 or 8. Pretty cool, yeah. Take a look. The Renault. This one's pretty cool. It is the car on the side and the back right here. It's pretty different, but let's take a look at it. Good roll. Alright, this car is a very cool mustard yellow. I really like when they add these like little plastic parts, like when they make like spoiler made of plastic. It's like a separate part. It looks kind of cool to me. Some people don't like it. I do, but like Renault, I always thought it's a Citroen when I found this pack, but still, it actually has front headlight tampos, a Renault badge, a little racing graphic livery. The side has some white spokes, and the back is just really detailed. It has like the little holes for aerodynamics. I'm guessing because there's also little holes in the front that it travels through the side of the car and comes out, but still pretty cool model. Kind of reminds me from like the side, it sort of looks like some sort of Hyundai or like a, I don't know, GR Corolla from the back. From the front, I don't really know what it looks like. It looks like some sort of Fiat. Still, it is a V6 that says on the side. It's just surprising for such a small car, Renault Sport. So pretty cool. Love the stripe. Overall, good casting. Overall execution for this car, like a 7. The car itself, maybe like a good 8. Same thing, but still, I'll save this. Actually, do it now. There we go. My favorite car. It's a little piece of dirt. So the 380 ZX or XZ Turbo. My God, that's so beautiful. Let's take a look at that. Damn. So let's put it here. This casting is so freaking beautiful. Oh my God, that orange. I love it when they do plain colors. Always good. It actually has back headlight tampos, the little Hot Wheels logo as the license plate, the tail lights on the back. Very beautiful. And overall, this casting is just really nice. It even has a little Nissan logo at the front they printed on. I really love when they use plastic headlights on these. Pretty sick. Love the chrome wheels on this car. Overall, everything is just so clean, and that like nice sunset orange kind of looks like kind of reminds me of like orange juice. Love these rims. Good shoes. I mean shoes, man, whatever the hell you want to call it. Still, overall, the roll quality is really nice. This is like, I love it when they make clean castings. Honestly, I'm not a big fan when they put tampos all over, like all the like graphics. I love me a plain, just beautiful car. Just you get to enjoy it. You know what I mean? Look, so freaking beautiful. Okay, is it chrome base? Yes, it is a chrome base. Ooh. Don't want to touch the chrome because it's gonna be way whack. So give it a roll. Oh, oh, whoa, whoa! What the hell? It has this like weird smooth but like heavy roll. But still, candy red, beautiful as ever. No tampos at the back, no tampos at the front. Makes sense. It's a muscle car. No one's gonna really care. Same thing with the Copo. No front headlight tampos or back headlight tampos. Little, it's not. It's sad, but like, hey, it isn't that bad. But still, very clean car. Love the chrome wheels. Very clean, very basic. It's got the GT 500 logo on the side. A little Shelby. If you can zoom into that right there. The little snake. So the red is very nice. It would have gone nice in like a Mustang exclusive pack. The bottom's chrome. I hate this. I'm gonna be honest. I hate it when they put chrome on the bottom. Because you touch it after the chrome comes off. But still, very cool car. Execution of this, it's very plain, very bland. I would say like maybe like a, well, 6, 4, 5 maybe. Yeah, like a 5 or like a 6. Honestly, execution, no, like a 7. Overall for the car, an 8. Actually, maybe a 9. I like it. But yeah, guys, this was the whole set of the Nightburnerz. Honestly, pick which one is your favorite car out of the bunch. But yeah, also there's one thing I want to check, the tooling on these, because usually when a car has no tampos, usually the tooling is old. It doesn't say, but still, yeah. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. Pick your favorite. Personally, mine, the 380ZX. But yeah, have a nice day, and I'll see you. So yeah, so my 2 favorites.